Hi everyone! Today we're going to practice a kriya, a cleanse that's going to help to detoxify our lungs. This exercise is called Kapalbhati. So the benefits of Kapalbhati are massive. Some of them are that it really helps to circulate blood throughout your body. It is great for any digestive problems that you have as we focus on the abdominal region. It also helps to calm your breath, calm your mind, so it's a great practice to do before starting meditation. It also helps to reduce any mucus in the head area or your sinuses. So if you're suffering from a cold, keep a box of tissues with you because there are things that are going to fly out of your nose. It also has a very heating effect on the body, so it helps to warm up your system. And it also purifies the head area, bringing energy to that region. And hence in English, it's called the skull shining practice. So before you begin, make sure that you don't have high blood pressure, you're not suffering from any kind of heart or lung disease, you don't have a hernia, any stomach ulcers, or are not menstruating. Otherwise, this is how it looks like. So what we do is we have a passive inhalation and an active exhalation. So we're going to breathe in through the nose. Breathe in. That's what it looks like. At first, if it's your first time practicing this, we're going to do 30 rounds. You're going to take it at your own pace. We're going to begin slowly and then gradually work our way up, increasing the speed and increasing the amount of rounds that we do. If you have been practicing this regularly, then we can go to 50, 100, or even 150. If at any point you feel lightheaded, then take a break, stop for a moment. It is normal to feel lightheaded during this because we are taking in a lot of oxygen and releasing a lot of carbon dioxide that has been stored in our body. So let's begin. Breathe in and start. As you exhale out, hold your breath there. Hold for as long as you can. Just observing the stillness within you. Feeling your center. And then take a breath in and out. And then begin with your round 2 and round 3. So in the second cleanse that we're going to do to detoxify our lungs is called Bhastrika Pranayam. In this, what happens is that we start to strengthen our abdominal muscles and our organs. It helps in breathing problems such as asthma, any respiratory issues. This is amazing for that. It helps to strengthen your lung capacity. It also burns out all the toxins. It releases the carbon dioxide from your system, and it will also help to stimulate your metabolism. Again, as we did in Kapalbhati, don't worry about the speed. See how you feel, what suits your body, and then we gradually increase from there. So in this, it's slightly different than our first one. Here we inhale and lift our arms up. We're going to lift the arms up, your palms open out. And when we exhale, our hands come down, the thumb goes in and the fingers go around the thumb. So it looks like this. Like that. So what we're going to do is for the first round, we're going to do 10. Then the second round, we'll do 15. And the third round, we'll do 20. Again, if you feel lightheaded, slow down, take a break. So let's start the first one together. And also, we're not focusing on the abdominal here like we did in Kapalbhati. We're going to be focusing into the chest, into our lungs. And at the same time, try not to move your spine too much. Going like that. Try to keep the spine straight. We're going to use the lung muscles to help us do this breathing exercise. Try to keep the face also as relaxed as possible. And let's begin. Inhale. Take a breath here. Take a moment. See how you're feeling. Check in with your body. And then begin round 2 of 15. And then round 3 doing 20. I hope this helps you and hope to see you next time.